everybody. Oh, it's raining again. Okay, I'm right here in Sydney, Circular Quay, and I just this is Gateway. I'm going to go across, and that is Circular Quay station. This place is so different now after 20 over years. I used to stay in a hotel just behind this building here, which is called the Gateway now, and right here I am at Circular Quay. To give you some bearings, this is Gateway, and this is it, Circular Quay. Here we are. Yeah. You can see the bridge there. Let me enter the station. So I just walked through from there. The toilets here is good to know they are free, unlike in Europe, for example. And just a couple of shops here, and followed by the wharf for the ferries. If you come out this way, the weather is not so good, but can you see the Sydney Opera House there vaguely? Well, I'll just wait a couple of minutes because all morning it has been like raining every other 10 minutes, and suddenly the sunshine will come on. So I'll just hang around. I have faith the sun will come on again. I have been opening and closing my umbrella for at least 5 times within an hour. So this is the weather condition right now. The current temperature is probably about 10 degrees Celsius, and today is actually the 1st of August. So it's cold winter, but the problem is the rain, not so much about the cold or the winter. And Circular Quay railway station is just here. It's still raining. Let me enter the station once again and show you more of the station inside. With the shops there, I can't go through, so I have to come out a little bit and then re-enter. See the wharf area. Wow, look at the bridge. Perfect view of the bridge. I see no Sydney Opera House clearly, so I will come out again and try to catch a shot later. Yeah. Gee. Transport information here. So only machines for ticket purchase. It's the station. Yes, I'm right. In less than 10 minutes, the rain is over and it's getting brighter again. Can you see the Sydney Opera House clearer now? That's over there. And I'm see the Luna Park is still around. Luna Park. I never really got there, but I've been to some place across through these ferries, and I passed by it and thought it looks cool. Equally, that's a rain. It's a beautiful day. And if I blow up and zoom in, I can see under the bridge. You can see the Luna Park there. See what I mean? The sun is out. I almost need sunglasses. And by the way, there are tours for this. You can actually walk over it. Back into the station again. Like I say, this station you can't just walk through. You have to go in and out because there are restricted areas, there are shops blocking the way. So now I re-enter again from the other side, and there is this Hungry Jack's here. So in order to go to the other side, I have to walk out again. This is how it works here. And another restaurant here. This one is open 24 hours. They're selling mood wine for winter. So it's not just Europe itself that you can get mood wine. You can even get it here. The pancakes, $5.50 for one. Double is $9. It's not bad. Now towards the left hand side where I'm standing, it will be the rocks there, and then towards the right behind all these buildings will be the Sydney Opera House and the park there. So Circular Quay, where the train station is, and the wharf is in between these two areas. So from this restaurant you can re-enter again the station. I see toilets available once more, and a couple more shops over here. Exit once again to the other side of it. See how sunny it is right now? You can see train from here. And this is the end of this railway station building over here. Not easy to take it. Stiff. For information, there is nowhere you can find seats inside the train station. So the only way you can sit is at the restaurant areas. Can you see the Ferris wheel moving at Luna Park? And can you see the people moving up there on the bridge? This is a tour in itself. So I hope you like this video of mine, a very brief one of this Circular Quay railway station here. And with the wharfs in front of me, I can see Luna Park across the bridge, as well as the Sydney Opera House, all in one here. So if you have very short time in Sydney and you want to see it all, this is a quick way to see it all. Not in detail, but you see it all. So hope you like this very brief video of mine. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.